Welcome to Taggbox Display Studio, a one-stop solution for all your digital display needs. With Studio, you can display diverse content seamlessly and boost the performance of your social wall. Watch this Studio usage guide to know what all Taggbox Display Studio has in store for you. Let's get started. After creating your social wall, click on Studio from the left side panel. You will come across multiple content integration options. Let's explore some options. Add a QR code to your screen and share a variety of information, ongoing offers, latest news, and updates to enhance the experience of your viewers holistically. Add the countdown timer. If you have a launch, event, or an opening of the store to bring some excitement for your event. In mass gathering places, adding updates of weather or time can keep the visitors better informed. Or some motivational quotes to boost morale. Or simply just add media like YouTube video, images or notice board, web pages, along with your social wall. Rearrange the content added as per your requirement and adjust its play timing. Time to empower your imagination. Change the layout of your screen's presentation to vertical split and horizontal split, and alter the height and width of the split as desired. Congratulations, you have successfully created a scene. Here comes the exciting part. You can add more scenes, adjust its content as required and plan content for days and months together. Duplicate the creative scene to eliminate the hassles of recreation, saving your time and effort. Next up, shuffle play the scenes depending upon your need and maximize its relevance. If you feel any scene doesn't fit fine anymore, delete it from your playlist. Rename your scenes to make displaying content effortless and handy. Once you're done, click on the Enable toggle bar before you check out the preview of your display wall. Impressed? Display your creative set anywhere on any screen, be it on casting devices or digital signage displays. In fact, you can also monitor it at one place and showcase the social wall at multiple locations boundlessly. Tempted to try it already? Go ahead and start your free trial. Explore your content options and witness users' engagement soaring high.